Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the journey to financial freedom. Um, it's another video on day trading. This is currently the morning of July 10th. Um, so yeah, let's get into it. Today I was going along, woke up at, around 3:30ish in the morning, got on and saw it's kind of spiking up. The overall picture looked kind of hazy though. Prior to the day, it did drop quite significantly, so I was thinking it was going to go bounce back higher, so I drew a trend line going up, but then I quickly realized that the the uptrend that I thought was not an uptrend, and I began to think it was a bigger trading range. As you can see, I was trying to put a trade going on there, but it was not happening. Um, from there, it just kind of spiked at the top right there, where the midline and the today's high was. Kind of spiked, went into a little mini trading range right there, and then spiked down. So I was thinking of taking that trade where the pin bar was, or it just went higher, but I didn't take it because I didn't like what it was giving me. So I decided to back off. Yeah, the market continued to push up a little bit, keeping testing the top. It's kind of testing the bottom as well right there, and then it started to push its way back up, eventually past the high over there. There's a lot of spots where I almost entered but didn't, because I just didn't like what I saw. But then it ended up working out in my favor, so I don't know if I should have just took it anyway or just, I don't know. But I mean, that's what happens sometimes. You see some, and you don't take it, and you're just like, oh shoot. But you can't rely. It just don't focus on the past. Just focus on what's going on ahead of you. So that's what I was doing today. I was just like, all right, whatever. Keep on looking, keep on analyzing. So it just kept on pushing up a little bit. So I thought maybe it's going back up into this uptrend. But then again, I was like, you know what? Nah. There's a lot of stuff like today. Like you can see, I was placing my thing a lot. I was placing my mark a lot, and because I thought I saw stuff, and I tried drawing my lines, try analyzing more. Sometimes I just get too focused on the what's going on. I forget to, you know, draw my charts and whatnot. I did mark a few that I thought I would have entered for a quick little scalp, but couldn't really see anything that I really liked to take, and that's how I played it pretty much until around almost 4:30ish in the morning my time. So that's probably like, I don't know, 7. No, no. I don't know. It's just different time. So if I'm 4:30 Hawaiian time, just do it whatever time zone you are. But yeah, then I'm like, okay, it's testing this EMA. Maybe it's gonna, maybe it's bullish bias and it's gonna go up. So it did start to go up a little bit, but yeah. I was like, all right, maybe it's testing the EMA. See, I was just having my cursor there. I'm like, okay, maybe it will keep going up. Let's just keep watching, keep analyzing, staying patient. I've been practicing my patience, and this kind of helped because there was some that I was going to take that probably weren't going to work out for me. So I was just staying patient and trying to look for things I really liked. I didn't get really anything until, like I said, 4:30. I took one trade in it, and it worked out for me, as you'll see upcoming here in the video. Yeah, if you take a look back right there, there's the broader picture. It was kind of going down and then back up. It looked like it was bouncing into a little trading range, and then over here it started kind of lagging around right here, and then it's not till around like right now it started dropping pretty significantly. I was like, okay. Maybe maybe it was good I didn't try to buy. So yeah, as you can see, it's giving a nice fat signal bar off there. I thought it was a triple test on top, but I don't know, I could be wrong. But see, it dropped right after that, and I was like, okay. I tried to sell, but it was too late to get into it. And I was like, you know what, not dealing with it. Then it just kind of messed around a little bit over there, spiked up, and then it eventually just dropped down again, and that's where I started to see a setup that I actually genuinely liked. As you can see, just kept dropping. EMA, it fell way off the EMA. It reached the midline right there, and I believe it broke past the midline. And I was like, what is this? You know, at the time I still thought it was kind of like an uptrend, but then I realized it was starting to form, you know, just a big giant trading range, and then little mini trading ranges inside the trading range. But see, it dropped right there, and then starts backing up, and then this is where I try to get in right here. I noticed that it was going up towards the EMA, possibly testing it. I looked at saw first entry, and then a second entry, and I was like, okay, this is it. I was taking the second entry short right here. That's about to form. Pulled it up right there. I liked what I saw. Gave me a red bar. I'm in. Kind of scared me a little bit because I held in for quite some time before it hit my 4 ticks. Oh yeah, I'm running a 9 contract, 4 ticks with the runner. So 10 contracts total. But you see, it was kind of just chilling there, like playing with my heart and mind. But it did eventually work out for me. Hit my 4 ticks. But you see how long I was waiting in there for, and then I just finally hit it. I was like, oh, thank God. Took some time. For some reason, it didn't fill all of them at once. I still had a lot in there, and then it did it. Then once that hits, I drag my stop to the break even, but it wasn't letting me because it kept going back up. It was playing with me. It just kept going back up. I'm like, oh man, maybe that wasn't a trade. So I had my runner down there, but my runner didn't actually work out for me. But yeah, so I waited till it eventually moved back down, and then I dragged my stop to break even. And then I let my runner get me another extra $100, and then I called it a day right there. Right after that, I was like, all right, got my trade. That trade got me like $575, and I was like, okay, that's good enough for me. I'm out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. So yeah, please like the video, subscribe. I'll keep posting, every day for trading, and then anything else I try to do. I'm just trying to post pure content, pure just raw stuff, just kind of sped up here for the stock market. But yeah, again, if you like my video, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.